Thank you. Yesterday, November 21st, the Progressive Governors Forum met, and as some of you may have seen in press reports, I spoke after the meeting, where in addition to congratulating and thanking the caretaker committee for a wonderful job of their leadership of the party, and thanking Mr. President for supporting them to deliver on their mandate, I also explained that the Progressive Governors Forum discussed the issue of national convention of the party, and they mandated us to come and discuss with the president as party leader to give the inputs of the governors so that the party and the president will consider in agreeing a date for the national convention. And yesterday, part of the input we got was that we still have 4 states which are in the process of completing their congresses. Anambra, understandably because of election, Zamfara, and 2 others that because of logistic challenges are yet to complete. So, and then Christmas is around the corner. And then early January will be very busy with Ekiti. So the governors, based on all that, made an input that we think the party and the president might graciously consider February, and president is favorably disposed, and I'm sure the party, because the party, the chair of the caretaker committee was part of the delegation, he had that, and I'm sure they will conclude between him and the president, but we have made the input of the governors known, and it was favorably considered by Mr. President.
So what will Nigerians expect this convention?
Well, they will expect more unity and progress. Like the PGF chairman said, they have suggested to the party and Mr. President has concurred, so we are going ahead to plan for the convention in February.
What will you say to some who think you are trying to extend your tenure?
How? Am I a jobless person who is always trying to extend his tenure? To do what? I have my primary responsibility as a governor to go back to my state and carry out my primary responsibility. What I am here to do is ad hoc and, of course, to reposition the party, and that is exactly what we are able to achieve.
Mr. Chairman, sir, this is the lawmakers and other stakeholders. Do they agree with your own view?
Of course, we have to consult widely, and part of the reason why even the governors met yesterday, and almost 20 of the 22 governors attended, so it is in consultation to that effect. So it's a well-consulted, well-thought-out plan.
So a specific date in February for the convention?
Well, we'll let you know. You know, we have to work on a timetable, so which of course has to be, we have to communicate to INEC, we have to also communicate to our various state chapters for them to be ready for the convention.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.